In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of converting audio files to other formats using the BitRecover Audio Converter Wizard. To install our Audio Converter Wizard, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, click the Next button. This tool provides users with select file or select folder options. Users can choose either one of the available options. Click Next. Check on checkbox to select the folder that you want to export. Click Next. Select Saving option allows you to save the file in other formats such as MP3, WAV, Opus, MP2, and many others. Let's select WAV option for this tutorial. The Destination Path section allows you to specify the destination folder where the selected file will be exported. Our tool provides advanced setting options to precise the conversion. Here user can see multiple options to be included or excluded in converted files, such as bitrate controls how clear the sound is and how big the file will be. Sample rate controls how sharp and detailed the sound is. Channels controls how many directions sound comes from. Next, simply click the Convert button, and the conversion will begin. Once the conversion is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that you have successfully converted audio files. Click OK, and open the destination folder to access the newly converted files. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.